Hi, this is VG Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change minimize effect on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The Genie effect is a trademark feature of Macs that set it apart from the monotonous UI of the competition. But if you had this minimization effect for any reason, you can always disable it or change it to another uh, effect minimize. So how to do it is so simple. I will show you first that my minimize effect is like this on my MacBook. If you want to change to another effect, actually I'm not using the Genie one in here, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook, click on dock and menu bar, and you'll find there is an option. Here's minimize window using. I'm using scale effect. If you want to change it to another effect, you can just click on that, and now you can choose on Genie effect if you're not using the Genie effect before. So it will turn out like this. And if you want to change to another effect again, you can just do the same thing and change with the another effect minimize. So simple, right? So that is how to change minimize effect on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.